Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back with another how-to with me, and today we're gonna learn how to curve a text using Fonto. So first, just tap on Fonto and load a photo from your photo albums, and just tap anywhere on the photo and add text option will appear. So just tap on it and then type in whatever you want. I'm typing in the name of my channel. I usually use this in creating thumbnails. And by the way guys, I have another video on how to create a thumbnail. I dropped the link on the description box, so go ahead and check it out. For the next step, we're gonna change the font. So just tap on font. And there are a lot of options in here, so just select whatever you like. And after that, we can change the style of the font. So just tap on style. Yeah, we can change the font colors, the stroke, and even the background of the text. After that, we can change the size of the text. It's always easier for me to just tap on the plus and the minus button on the side. After changing the size, if you want to add a little more style, just tap on tilt. There you go. Then just swipe to the left and you will see the curve option. This is gonna be the last step. So just tap on curve, and again you can use the plus and the minus button on the side. And there you go. That's how you can curve a text. This is very helpful in creating thumbnails and even intros and outros. So that is it for today guys. Thank you so much again for watching. See you again in the next videos. Goodbye.